Good evening, students. Today is start of structural design 1. So the first one is topic name is design of axial loaded column and footing. So the write down design of axial loaded column and footing. So the first one is column. Column is, we know that the column consider is only of column vertical member. So we know that the support of a beam and carries only of compressive load, not other than load. So the introduction of column. So we know that the column is considered as vertical member. Vertical member, and it is support of beam. It is support of beam and only of column section is compressive load. Compressive load. We know that the column is vertical member and other than support of a beam section and only of compressive load. So we know that above the column as major elements of trusses, building frames, substructure, support of bridge in order of construction works, it carry about these following steps. We know that above the column as major elements of in trusses, building frames, and substructure support of bridge. Support of bridge. Support of bridge. So next of the column works. Columns works loaded of typically applied for end member and compressive stress, and load design is axial forces, transport forces in different types of process and workload of the column works. So next step is the column works are first one is the load of columns are typically applied of the ends of support in member and compressive stress. Stress definition is, we know that the previous structural analysis, stress is load divided by P by A or F by A. So the P by A equal to load for unit area. So second step one is loads on column design can be in different forces. Then the first one is axial forces, transverse forces in different types of forces, including of the columns section in the footing. So second one is loads on the column design acting on a column can be including axial forces, transverse forces, etc. So different types. Next one is different types of column. Then the types of column. Column types. Different types of columns used in structural element. So we know that the first one is two types of column in uses of structural design. So first one is short column and long column, and other than is different types of column are uses. So you know that we uses of now in two types of column. First one is short column and long column. Short column is example of footing, piers. Long column is bridge and free waiver. So there are columns two types. First one is short column, and second one is long column. Short column example is short column